I used to think compassion meant saving, lifting a broken, mending the torn. But some wounds do not ask to be fixed, they ask to be heard. Avalokiteśvara, but the space that allows it to listen without correcting is already love. Oh, many Padme when sorrow rises like a tide in my chest. The world does not need my solution, it needs my staying. Karuna Shravana Shanti. I do not have to carry your pain, I only have to not turn away. And in that turning not away, something softens. The heart that listens is never separate from what it hears. Avalokiteśvara, Padme Hidaya, Ananta. There is trembling in every being, there is longing in every breath. If I quiet the noise of myself, I can feel the trembling as my own. Oh, many Padme compassion is not dramatic, it does not shout, it kneels in silence beside the human condition. No fixing, no saving, just presence. Karuna Anugraha Shanti. When I stop trying to become strong, I become open. Openness is stronger than resistance. Avalokiteśvara, Mahāyāna Ananta. This world cries, this world blooms, the same breath carries both. If I remain wide enough, nothing is outside my listening. Even my own fear belongs.